With all the uncertainty the last 6 months, the most common question we get asked as experts in the Inland Empire industrial leasing market is what deals are still happening. The Inland Empire industrial real estate market is absolutely on fire. And today, we're talking about the lease comp details for a transaction we recently closed for our client, Link Logistics. So when we originally created our first video for this property, we talked about the owner's vision and strategy for what we thought it was going to take to lease the building. So we actually sold this building to the owner at a Class B price, and the owner invested significant time and money upgrading the entire facility to turn it into a Class A property. And the owner's ultimate vision was to attract a tenant from a further west, more expensive submarket to this building in a strategic location in the Inland Empire West. This property was leased by a third-party logistics company out of City of Industry on a 5-year term. The starting rental rate was 63 cents per square foot per month, triple net, with operating expenses of about 22 cents. That creates a net to gross of approximately 85 cents per square foot. The annual increases are 3%, and inside of the deal that was negotiated, a concession package was granted of 3 months of rent abatement based on the base rent. The tenant ended up leasing the property on an as-is basis and was able to enjoy all the upgrades the owner ended up completing on the property. Our ultimate goal is to see projects like this through from acquisition to stabilization. A massive thanks to Link Logistics for not only trusting our team on the purchase of this property, but putting their trust in our team as their exclusive leasing agent to see the project through from start to finish. Whether you own, occupy, or invest in industrial real estate in the Inland Empire, please contact our team. We'd love the opportunity to provide you that.